Relationships. They're beautiful, messy, and often misunderstood. We all crave love, but are we truly prepared for what it takes to sustain it? Society sells us a fairy tale, an endless stream of romance, passion, and effortless connection. But the reality? It's far more complex. The honeymoon phase? It doesn't last forever. Passion fades, routine creeps in, and suddenly you're faced with the daunting question, is this enough? Unrealistic expectations are the silent killers of relationships. Comparing your life to highlight reels online? It's a trap. Behind every perfect selfie is a story of sacrifice, compromise, and sometimes pain. The secret? It's not grand gestures or perfect moments, it's the everyday effort. Communication, empathy, trust. These are the building blocks of something real. The brutal truth is this: love isn't always enough. It takes work, patience, a willingness to grow, individually and together. And sometimes, the most loving thing you can do is walk away. Whether you're in a relationship or searching for one, remember this: you are whole just as you are. Love is a journey, not a destination. And the brutal truth? It's worth it.